Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Volkswagen Touareg 2011 to 2014 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. It has a big box. Let me open the box. You can check header unit with good condition. This is special canvas box and harness. This is a header unit. Okay, let me show harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Volkswagen Touareg. And this is canvas box. And this is power cable. You can check. Touareg power cable. It's plug and play. Okay, this fuse box. Okay, let me check the wire. This AUX input left and right. Input left and right. Okay. This is K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. K1 and K2. And usually it comes with canvas decoder by factory steering wheel control automatically. This is GND wire. This is AMP wire, this is ANT wire, 12 voltage. This is reserve camera. Okay. It comes with remote controller and external microphone. This is radio antenna. This is camera input. This is camera input adapter. Okay, this AUX. This connect back of header unit. This is video input. This AUX input left and right. And this audio cable connect back of header unit. This subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show header unit. It's doubled in size. And plug and play. Okay, you can check. Side. Okay. You can check this side. This right side. The screw. Okay, let me check the back. You can check this GPS antenna and this cable to USB and external microphone. This connector back. This is for USB and external microphone. This GPS antenna connection. You can check GPS. This radio port and this Wi-Fi antenna. This power. This fuse. Okay. You can check. Please take out this 2 screw before installing. This screw fixes DVD in the shapings. Okay. Let me find something to. Okay, let me connect power cable on back and power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check header unit start up. Let me adjust the. Okay, you can check header unit start up. Okay, let me show it. Please take out this screw protector before use it. Our old header unit already print the screw protector in the screw. You can adjust the brightness. It's high resolution. Long press, you can change the wallpaper. It supports live wallpaper and wallpaper image. You can change it. Click OK. Okay, very fast response. Okay, let's home. This DVD slot, this buttons keep the original button. This volume and this knob, this radio. You can search the radio stations and this knob. Let me check. You can check. It changed. Okay, it works. This home button. Okay. Oh, it's here. This supports easy connection for Mirror-Link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Level back. And it's built-in DSP amplifier. It supports original information. This vehicle information, it shows the fuel oil and other factory information. It's built in Google Maps and Play Store. It can support download applications from Play Store. It supports Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check the MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, model hardware PX5, and Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. 64GB. Okay. And each buttons show red. You can change the car settings, personal setting, LED setting. You can change gray. It's blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. Personal settings, autoplay music from USB or SD card. This power standby ACC delay, and other settings. And driving settings, it supports reserving volume. You can turn on or turn off this watch video. Backup camera, view ruler, tracking display, X mirroring, support factory steering wheel controls decoder by canvas box. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.